What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is Streaming Dreams. This video is going to be a little bit different. We did have reservations at Fort Wilderness in Disneyland, but unfortunately, unexpected events did occur and we are grounded here at home. But as a big thank you to you guys, we are excited to announce our first ever giveaway. Through raffle, we're going to use the Wheel of Names. All you have to do, go to the Instagram down here, check out the rules, follow all the entry procedures, and you guys will get an opportunity to win this 0G RV and marine hose. Now this is a drinking water safe hose, and this really is an incredible product that is flexible and easy to store in your rig. Once again, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And guys, we will see you down the road.